Welcome everyone and good evening. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 750. Before we begin, we show the local time here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It is 11:06 p.m. That means we are 4 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold. We've gathered all the information, we put it together, and we are ready to go. All this information is in your description of the team that you bought. The most important information is that serial number. Why that's important is because that was listed over a week ago. It's the same serial number I'm staring at in front of me on the box. So you know we're going to open the box we said we were going to. Now, let's go over the rules really quickly. And let's use Chowder Style as an example. He's a good guy and he's been with me for a while. He has the Seattle Kraken in tonight's break. I'm going to open up this box. There's 24 packs. Each pack will contain a hit. That hit and only that hit will be the card that gets mailed out. So if there are any Seattle Kraken hits, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Chowder Style. If there are no Seattle Kraken hits, I still mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically going to be mailed to Chowder Style because there was nothing to mail. That is how box breaks work. Email me with any questions you may have. Let's get to it. Bizik has the Bruins, the Sabres, the Flames, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Avalanche, the Red Wings, the Knights, and the Jets. Canada Wide breaks the Coyotes, Chowder Style, the Kraken, Connor Burr 2026, the Islanders and the Rangers, Dark Player, the Stars and the Canadians, JPJ, the Canucks, Rob Larry, the Jackets, the Oilers, the Predators, the Senators, the Penguins, the Sharks, the Blues, the Capitals, Skynet, love the name, Ducks, Wild, Devils, Flyers, Sun 2340, the Kings, and rounding us out, Wise Guy Johnny, the Panthers, the Lightning, and the Toronto Maple Leafs. 707-725, let's remember that as I bring you guys over the webcam. We are all systems go. Let's show that up and close to the camera before we begin. 707-725, clear as day, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered, my friends. Break number 750, box 17 of 20. We have 18, 19, and 20 this week. All ready to go to finish off this case. And that'll be it. I just finished watching the Denver Nuggets beat the the Miami Heat, and they have now won the championship. So there's another team that has won. Congratulations. I always wanted to see the Joker win, so good for him. First hit is a Blue Dazzler going to Jake Sanderson and your Ottawa Senators. Instant Impressions, Brent Burns. Going to your Carolina Hurricanes. Superstar Honor Roll, Bobby Brink. Going to your Philadelphia Flyers. Power for Calder. Owen Power. Going to your Buffalo Sabres. Young Guns. Cole Reinhardt. Going to your Ottawa Senators. Upper Deck Canvas, Tim Stutzla. Going to your Ottawa Senators. Superstar Honor Roll, Hayden Hodgson. Going to your Flyers. Oh, out of focus here. There we go. And they are now going to hand over the trophy to the Denver Nuggets. Good for them. Lunchbox Legends, going to your New Jersey Devils, Jack Hughes. Young Guns, Casey Fitzgerald, going to your Buffalo Sabres. Red Dazzler, Trey Fix Wolonski. Going to your Columbus Blue Jackets. Red Dazzler, Carson Meyer. Going to your Columbus Blue Jackets. Back-to-back Red Dazzlers. Both going to the Columbus Blue Jackets. Interesting. Upper Deck Canvas, Milan Lucic. Going to your Flames. Lunchbox Legends. This one going to your San Jose Sharks. Timo Meyer. Welcome to Detroit. A couple of these per box. This one going to your Red Wings. Young Guns, not bad. Congratulations, Dallas Stars. Wyatt Johnson. Young Guns, Philip Ruse. Going to your Blackhawks. Upper Deck Portrait Rookies, Braden Tracy. Go to your Ducks. Upper Deck Portrait Rookies, Mitchell Chaffee. Go to your Wild. World Junior Grads, Patrick Laney. Go to your Columbus Blue Jackets. Lunchbox Legends. Go to your Nashville Predators. Philip Forsberg. Love the stash. 4 packs to go. Kirill Kaprizov, Minnesota Wild. Upper Deck Canvas, Blake Wheeler. Going to your Winnipeg Jets. Young Guns, Lucas Johansson. Going to your Washington Caps. Final pack, final hit, final card to be mailed out goes to Young Guns, Hunter Drew. Going to your Anaheim Ducks. So bear with me now. We will go back to the main screen to show who owns the Anaheim Ducks. And then sign off with the time. So let's get you guys back here. Scroll until we find Anaheim. Skynet with that last hit. Congratulations. And all we have left to do now is show you the local time here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It is 11:15 p.m. Thanks for joining, my friends. Box 18 goes tomorrow night, 19 on Wednesday, and 20 finishing us off on Thursday. Hope to see you all on that. Have a good night, everyone.